Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete your Twitter watch history. First of all, you can open the Twitter or X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, I can tell you the X app doesn't provide any feature to delete the watch history permanently. So you can just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom left corner of the screen that is next to the home button, and here you can just simply now tap on search at the top middle of the screen, and now you can just simply tap on cross icon at the top right side of the screen, and here you can just simply clear your recent searches, and it is a way you can delete watch history on Twitter or X if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.